Let's make fried rice with shiitake mushrooms and shallots. It's so easy and super delicious. All you will need are these fresh ingredients. Simple, but they make all the difference. Boil some water, then soak the mushrooms until they become soft and tender. Peel the shallots, slice them thinly, and set aside for later. Next, slice the green onions. These will add a nice freshness, then set them aside. Slice the pork belly into small pieces. This will make it nice and crispy when we cook it later. Once the mushrooms are soft and tender, go ahead and slice them. They're ready to cook. Add some cooking oil to the pan and heat it over medium heat. Fry the shallots in the pan until they turn golden brown, then remove them and set aside. Now fry the pork belly and let it cook until the edges get beautifully browned and crispy. Add the sliced mushrooms to the pan and saute them for a few minutes. For seasoning, add light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, a pinch of salt, and some seasoning powder. Give everything a good stir to mix it all together. Add 1 bowl of leftover rice to the pan and mix it well with the mushrooms and seasoning. Add the green onions and fried shallots back into the pan, then mix them into the rice for extra flavor and crunch. Finally, add some freshly ground black pepper. Stir everything well, and then transfer the fried rice to a serving dish. See how simple this dish is? It's absolutely delicious. Perfect for any meal, anytime. Save and follow for more recipes.